The Plaud Note Pro is shaping up to be an interesting device for anyone who regularly attends meetings, interviews, or lectures. Based on the information available online, it's a compact, lightweight device that feels well-built and premium. Its microphones are designed to pick up voices across a room, which should make it effective for capturing conversations without needing to sit right next to the speaker. The main appeal seems to be the companion app and the AI features. Once a conversation is recorded, the app can automatically generate notes, summaries, and even highlight key points or create mind map-style visualizations. For someone who spends a lot of time in meetings, this could save a lot of time and effort when compared to manually taking notes. That said, these AI features require a subscription to unlock fully. The recording quality is optimized for voice and clarity rather than music or voice-over work. And because it's a pre-order product, it isn't available for immediate purchase. Anyone interested would need to wait for it to ship, which for the European region is currently expected in November. Overall, even without hands-on use, the Plaud Note Pro appears to be a promising productivity tool for heavy users. Casual users might not get as much value from it, especially considering the subscription model, but for professionals, students, or anyone who relies heavily on accurate meeting notes, it looks like a device worth keeping an eye on.